Today I want to show you how I got this photo, created this result using this camera. I have been using the Canon R6 for almost 2 years, and I must say it's been an absolute game changer. I upgraded from the Canon 5D Mark IV and the technology has been mind-blowing. In a future video I'll show you all the features I like about the Canon R6, but the one thing I want to talk to you about today that stands out for me is the Canon R6 Dynamic range. I'm going to edit this photo for you guys just to prove my point. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my Twilight film preset. It is a preset that has quite a bit of grain. I don't want grain on this one, so I'm going to just click on my no grain preset and also the less noise, and then from there I'm going to up the exposure quite a bit. Now I'm going to add a mask, go to sky, and we're going to bring back the sky by dropping the exposure, adding some dehaze to bring back that detail. We can make it either cooler or warmer. I think for this one how it's shot is perfect. Now I want to work on the mountain a bit, and I'm going to add another mask for it. A brush. We're going to brush on the mountain side. I'm even going to go over the couple a bit like that. Now I'm going to go to subtract, use an object, brush on the couple, and it should remove them. There we go. I'm going to do it once more just for that finer areas. That should do it. Let's see. I'm going to see if it actually will do it on the branches as well. Let's see. Subject, the branches there. Did a good job, but I'm losing the areas there, so I'm actually going to undo it by pressing Ctrl Z, and I'm just going to drop the exposure of the mountains a bit. I'm also going to use dehaze on the mountains, and for those branches over there I'm just going to bring the shadows up a bit just so that it's not too dark. I'm also going to use the clarity slider a bit there, drop a bit more exposure on that mountain. Now I'm going to go to the image itself. I'm going to warm up the white balance a bit, add a bit of magenta, going to open up the shadows quite a bit. Now I'm going to add 2 masks in terms of object, and I'm going to select the couple, but I'm going to do it twice, so stick around for the second one. The first one is just going to be a simple object mask. I'm going to brush over the couple. It's very quick. It's going to select the couple, and we're going to up the exposure on the couple a bit so that they stand out. I'm also going to use the clarity. That will make the dress pop a bit. That's great. Now I'm going to select them again by adding another object mask like that, and then from now I'm going to go invert. There we go, and I'm going to go subtract again, and this time I'm going to subtract the sky because I don't want the sky to be affected. I'm going to use subtract again with a brush because I don't like what it did with the corner here. I just want that corner deselected, and also the top of the mountain like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the forest area by using shadows just like that, and now we can work on the color of the image right at the end by adding a bit of yellow. If you want to, you can perhaps push the greens or desat it. I don't want too much though. I'm still not happy with the white balance. Just play a bit with it. Let's add a bit of vignetting, see what that does. I quite like the vignetting, it frames the couple nicely. And there you have it. The dynamic range of the Canon R6 is absolutely insane. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to click on this video to get a bit more insight on flash photography.